美国的东部和中西部落今年头一场大雪，有一寡所在呢，这雪是落到120公分悬，交通也拍夹，变做是袂顶袂动。
美国规顶一周末开始落今年第一场大雪，东部甲中西部拢受影响。纽约州部分地区宣布紧急紧急状态，宾州也发布灾难声明。拄着感恩节假期，真侪人拢伫转去的半路，因为车路大雪封起来，全家伙仔困伫车阵当中。
One woman spent the night in her car with several children. They were okay. They had food, but they were stuck in a long line of cars overnight. And luckily, in the morning, she said a friendly local person walked along the line of cars with some muffins.
积雪高度也真惊人，伫宾州甲密西根州部分地区，甚至乎120公分以上。
We normally don't see sizable numbers like we have over the last couple of days, so it's definitely different for us.
专家指出，这场大雪是受大雨效应的影响，也就是冷空气吹过相对温暖的水面，伫这方面的岸边造成落雪。这礼拜为北极来冷空气吹过美国甲加拿大之间的五大河，伫这方面的美国落大雪，目前冷空气豆豆向东部刷天东，按算这礼拜会阁继续落大雪。公司新闻由派顺编译。